We're still here.
Yeah.
We are now at the animal nature section here. whatever they
Yeah,
call
and
it.
this is part 3.
And this here is a salamander, a tiger salamander. You see how he's just relaxing there? Not moving?
Oh,
got
look
some-
at that toad.
Oh, is there a toad in there?
There's
I
a
just
toad
saw
right
two
next
of
to
them.
the. There's two
Oh
toads.
my gosh, there's two of them.
Look at those toads.
I was looking at the salamander the whole time and
Okay,
didn't
so you
notice
got a
the toad.
woodhouse toad, a tiger salamander, and a Great Plains toad. There's
All
3
in
different
there,
ones.
And I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, there's 3 toads here.
They
Come on.
just blend in so well. They look like rocks.
Yeah.
At
Now,
the top, we got
let's look at
enchanted
these.
lizards. And then look, there's crickets. You know, he's
Oh,
gonna
look
eat
at
that
this
later.
Lizard. He's posing like real quietly, trying to blend in. You see him?
He's getting the heat from that lamp right there.
That's so awesome. Look at there's little crickets in here too.
Wait,
Oh yeah, you gonna eat
He's
that?
gonna eat that guy
I
right
hate
there.
crickets. Oh no.
Look at the little bush
Look
that
at
he's
that
got in
cricket.
here. There's all the so another little cricket here.
Wait, do crickets bite or anything?
No,
Oh, I mean,
that is so awesome.
Oh, why
Look
is
at
this
him.
one
He's
out of
very
order?
still. No movement.
Wait,
And I
what?
think they do that
We're gonna put a
to
skink in
try
here.
to blend in.
Mm-hmm.
Let's look at the top one here. What do we have going on? Oh no, this is
Nothing.
nothing.
That's it. This one is a toad, but you can barely see it because he's hiding under the rocks so well that you won't be able to see
Oh
with the
yeah,
glare.
he's under there somewhere.
wait, look.
That green stuff just gives it that crazy color. You see the toad in there somewhere? He's in there. You see him? He's right in between. Right there, I believe.
Super big.
That's so awesome. And
So
then
cool. They have these things and like slots next to all the animals, so you can check out and like read
Information
facts
about
them.
it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So crazy.
that's so awesome. It gives
Like
you
over here, we got a snake.
information
Dad,
about
come look at
the
this.
stuff that we're looking at.
Mommy, come show the footage.
Called the Sonoran gopher snake.
See this?
Mommy.
Gopher
Evie's got
snake.
this tatted on her.
Look at this. That is a beautiful bird.
Hey, mommy, come and show the footage
Beautiful,
of this animal.
beautiful
It's so
bird.
cool.
And they're very, very smart too. Okay, look at this snake here. Looks kind of scary, doesn't it? Let's look at the real deal.
Last time we were here, it had just shed its skin, and his
yes.
skin was sitting right here on the
Skin
side.
Right there. And look
Hey,
at him
Mommy,
now.
come
He's
show the footage.
nice, shedded. I think he's asleep. Let's see. Is he asleep? I see.
I see his eyes are open. They're like
wide
whitish.
open. Yeah.
They're
He's awake.
beautiful, but he's just
He
still.
almost seems like he's dead.
No, he's alive.
Yeah, he's taking a nap.
Don't the lizards have to
Let's see what else we got here.
There's nothing in here. I can't see
Mommy,
nothing.
look
Oh
at
yeah,
this.
he's in there. He's
Oh,
a
yeah.
snake, but
You
he's
see the
down there
snake
under
down
the
there?
rock.
He is right
Have you seen these ones?
there
No, are they
somewhere.
tarantulas
No,
or
they're toad.
Right there.
Oh, look at those. Get away from me.
Oh my God! Look at
don't
that
steal
big
me.
old toad.
They're huge.
That guy is.
There's another one back
huge.
there too, like in the backpack.
But mom, show the
Look
footage
at where
of
the
this
other
little
one
guy.
is. Look at he's
Mommy.
back there. Isn't that crazy?
Mommy, look, mom, show
Look
the
at their,
Coopers this
their
one.
water.
Look, he's shedding his skin, Santana. You see how it's coming off the old skin?
Let's look at
And
it.
that's how he
Ooh,
grows new
He
skin.
looks very dry. Yeah.
He's getting some off on his tail, his knee. You see it right here on his arm.
Yeah,
He's losing
he's
it.
definitely shedding. But that's good for them. They
Yeah,
get a new
that's how they
skin.
get new skin.
But they still...
Oh my God! Is he dead?
No. Lizards
not
and
moving.
reptiles are always just a very
They
still
seem
type
very,
of animal. Yeah,
very still.
they are always very still. They
No,
like
don't do
to-
that. Don't do that. Honestly, he looks very dead.
No, he's not dead.
Wait, but look, his eyelids are
It's a
closed.
Gila monster.
Look at his eyelids.
That one's called the Gila monster.
His eyelids are closed.
I think he's asleep,
Yeah, me too.
but he does look dead.
Remember?
I don't think they
the
would leave
one
a dead
turtle that
person
kept
there.
following you, Evie?
Oh yes, let's see if he's still here.
Up there we have a hawk. I think that's a hawk or an eagle, right?
There's a lot of
That's
animals
an
in
And then
eagle.
there's an owl.
Look at this stuff up here. Isn't that amazing? That's why I was saying. That's why I was saying. Let's see what else is up there, because I remember coming last time and there was animals up there.
Is that a wolf or
Isn't
a
that
coyote?
beautiful? Look at that. I think this might be a coyote.
And up
Oh
there
no,
got
it's a gray
panther,
wolf.
a
Look,
jaguar.
it gives you the information right.
Mexican
underneath
gray
it.
wolf.
Yeah.
Mexican,
Isn't that awesome?
Mexican gray wolf.
Look
So
at
what
that
is
guy.
that one?
What is that guy over there? A sphinx?
Lechuguilla.
No
Oh,
way.
no.
Oh,
Oh, that's a plant. That's the plant, actually.
Oh, okay. I'm like,
I
no
can't see
way.
what the top thing is on.
I don't know. I think it's an owl.
Huh?
No,
This
it's
is an owl.
Yeah, that's an owl.
Oh, that's a
I don't know what that
beautiful
one
owl.
is, guys. If you know what that is, let us know. I don't know what it is.
This is a lynx.
This guy I know is, yeah,
He
definitely.
has to be a lynx, right?
He's beautiful.
This is the biggest wingspan I've ever seen.
a hawk?
Like a hawk, right? Or a vulture?
Mommy,
is
look
it?
at this little baby toe.
Look at that.
Tiny toes, huh?
Did we already look at these animals here?
No, not yet. We haven't come
Look at
over
these
here
are
yet.
sky
We just started looking at the
islands.
owls and stuff,
Oh,
and we
look at
left
the
it
owl.
alone.
Can I show you guys the owl? It almost looks like he's looking right at us.
He's looking right at us.
Oh no, get
You.
away from my salad.
Look at that.
No, you.
Isn't that crazy? Okay, look at.
No, you.
Let's see what else we have here.
No, you.
No, you.
This one is little tree frogs. You see the little tree frog? He is so cute. Tiny
yeah.
little frog. He's so cute. And he's got so much room
The Geico Gecko.
for his little old self.
Oh, and it's.
Desert
Oh,
millipede.
look at the
Look at this,
other.
guys. Tsuma.
And a variable
Whales?
Those guys can.
Is that a quail up there? Oh no, it's not up there, huh?
quail.
Does it? Why is this here? Just because, maybe.
Wait, can
Maybe
Okay.
they should have one in there.
Look at these ones here. Last time these were freaking me out because they stay very still, like they're
Those are collared lizards.
like they're posing. And look at even his foot stays.
Lagarto de collar.
Even
común.
his foot stays straight up,
Oh,
guys.
gosh,
And
no.
he just moved. Look at that. We caught it all on
Did he
camera.
move?
Yeah. Did he scare you, son?
It's supposed to be
Yeah.
like a desert
I
millipede.
think it's because
Look
he's
at him.
scared of the shot.
He's very still, like
But I think it's looking at the shot.
what is it called? Look at him. He's moving his foot. He put his foot down. He's
Oh,
looking at us.
sexy.
He's looking right at us. Look at.
Wait, he's looking at the
He's
camera.
looking at us.
He's looking at the camera.
Taking a close up.
Hi guys.
He's ready for his
Look
close
Look at him. Look at him. He's so cute. He's posing. Look at him.
He wants to be in the footage.
He does. Look at him.
Mr. DeVille.
Oh, you are so cute. The other guy is
Opening his mouth a little bit.
chilling. He sees
It looks
us.
like he smokes.
No, it doesn't.
Look at that. Okay, guys, let's travel. Keep moving.
Okay.
What's wrong, son?
Move this to the side like this.
Yeah.
Turtle is outside of the water this time.
Wait, let me see.
Look at all this amazing
All the
stuff.
way out.
What is it? The
soft-shell
turtle.
Look
at
I've never
that.
seen them dry.
Wait, I
That
never
is
seen
so
that guy.
awesome.
I never
It's
seen
crazy.
that one. I never seen that guy.
He is so cool.
Wait, is that
Look
the
at
mom?
what close up.
Hey, is
Oh my
that?
god, you
Wait,
are so slimy.
Wait, is that a
looking.
female? Is that a female?
But very
I don't know.
dry.
I think that's a female.
It looks like it's dead too. Oh no.
Is it a soft shell
Yeah,
turtle?
it's
Yeah,
a
a spiny.
It
Spiny,
looks like a female.
spiny, soft shell. That's a tongue twister, guys.
Spiny soft shell turtle.
Look at that. I want him to get in the water.
Yeah, last time we were here, he was wet.
He's very dry today.
Oh my
He's
god.
Having a
That
chill
that
day.
looks like a female, mom.
It does. Okay,
I think
let's
it's a
show
female.
what this is over here.
Follows you, Evie.
Look at these fish. They're so beautiful.
They're called Rio Grande chubs and Rio Grande
This
suckers.
is what is in our river here that we have.
Rio Grande chub, Rio Grande
The
sucker.
Rio Grande River that runs through a lot of states, actually. I believe it runs through Colorado also.
Tortoise.
Yeah, the red-eared sliders.
That is so amazing.
Oh,
You got
See,
a
look.
yellow mud turtle
I
in
think
here,
he's tired.
red-eared slider, and a western painted turtle.
You'll find those here in our.
There's
our
one
habitat.
way in the back over there at the top.
I can see.
You see these ones here? Are these turtles?
Oh yeah.
Where
Yeah,
are they?
look,
Oh.
two of them are down here.
Okay.
And then the last one is over there in the way back.
Oh,
Look at this one, Evie. He's moving, he's moving. Look, look,
Look,
how fast.
let's record this guy.
that's the female.
Oh, the only thing is that
That's
you
the
can see
mom.
my glare on the thing, guys. So I'm gonna try to move.
That's
coming
the
this
mom.
way.
You gotta kneel down, son, so I don't see the. Look at
That's
that guy.
that's a
He likes to
female.
follow people. He's very, very social.
That's the
He
mom.
loves
That's
it.
a female.
He loves attention. Last time we were here, he was following me everywhere.
Come
Look at how his body moves. It's almost like he's floating in space. Like very slowly, but
Wait,
very...
Mom, that's not a he, that's a she, remember?
No, I don't know.
Look, he likes my nails.
Look, he's into it. Be careful, son. You're hitting the camera. Put this down, please.
What are you gonna do once you get here?
That's so cool.
Come
Look
on.
at him.
Come
Look at
here.
his
Oh.
Come to me,
massive
come to me.
legs.
His moves are so like massive. Every
Do you
single
see?
movement is like
He almost reminds me of a dinosaur. He looks like a dinosaur.
he wants to touch, but
Look
there's like
at
a
his-
glass between his
Yeah.
glass and our glass.
Look at his legs and his tail. He
What
looks
did you do if you come?
massive. Can you kneel
He's
down?
gonna go towards you
Look
now.
at him. Look at him.
He likes you.
He's coming this way.
He's trying to bite
he's
on us.
biting, yeah.
What are you biting at? You want to be? Oh, look! He wants to fight the camera.
Say hi to the viewers. Look at his long nails. He's
He
got
likes
long
you.
nails like me.
But-
Look.
Wait, but Cupers, I hope we didn't scare you with all these animals.
He's having a good old time.
No,
likes-
he's always followed Yvette for some reason. He always follows
likes
you.
the camera.
Wait, what do they eat? Do they eat the rocks inside there?
The only thing is that we could see the glare,
The glare of the
like
line.
ourselves on there. You see Santana's in the glare,
Mhm.
and then you could see yourself. Look at him. He's drinking or breathing. You see it? Did you see his nose come out?
Wait, is he drinking?
No, he's coming up for air. He is so amazing, and he's big, and he loves the attention.
I see. The last time we were here, the tarantula was hiding, and this time we could see it.
No way. Let's go look at him.
No, I don't want to.
Okay, say bye to this guy. See you next time.
What is that guy's name? Let's
Let's
name him,
name
because every time we come here, like, there's something about him.
Yeah,
Let's give him a name. Let's think of a name.
Shelly.
Raphael.
Shelly? I
Raphael.
thought Rocky. Shelby?
Raphael.
Rocky. He
Raphael.
looks like a big
Yeah,
rock,
he
like
looks
a big
like
rock,
a massive.
No, Raphael because he's big, rough,
Let's
and
look at
tough.
this over here.
Tarantula.
Oh, that is so
It's back
awesome.
there in
Oh
the- in
no,
the-
look at this ugly thing up here.
No, I don't want
It looks like it's about to attack.
I think we're gonna scare the viewers with the tarantula.
Look at its nasty butt.
What's good with you?
Like a nasty looking. Oh my gosh, it's so gross. Okay, what else do we have here?
These desert turtles. Look, their legs are sticking out to the back. Oh, you can't. You gotta hurry before he puts them in. Look, he looks like he's laid
that
out
is
like
so awesome.
Maxon and
Hi,
Laxon.
turtle.
He's chilling,
Hi, turtle.
having a good time,
What's up with you, Mr. Turtle? Come on.
Wait,
vibing.
is there 3?
Oh no, that's a.
I wonder if it's
The
really
rocks,
dry
but the
in
rocks
there.
look like them, so
They seem so dry.
I think they like it like
They
that.
do,
though.
huh?
I think
Yeah.
that's right.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna take a real quick break.
Just show them
And
this real quick
when
before we go.
we
Look at the snake,
return,
and then
We'll
the other
show
one.
you
And
the rest
wait,
of the
and
museum.
look at-
Look at
and
that.
guys,
That
hear
is
the
so
sound.
awesome.
What was that?
That.
That was
It's
real.
the sound of the rattle.
I didn't know that though. I thought I
See?
could hear the snake.
It sounds so crazy.
I seriously
See
got
that?
scared because I thought it was
Look
for
at their
real.
bones on there. Like that is so awesome.
Wait, that's a boned snake.
That's their
Yeah.
skeleton.
Mm-hmm.
That is so awesome. Look at how he would normally look. No.
Which one do you think looks scarier, Mom?
That's how it's able to move so swiftly because
Yes,
every single
every
bone is
single
able to
bone. Yeah.
move.
Ouch, are you okay?
Good to know.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Part 3
It's coming
We'll be back.
soon. We'll be right back.
Part
Okay?
4.
Say, see you when we come back.
See you
And
later
then
on part
dab
4.
it. Give him a dab.
See you later on part 4.
And then give him a pound. Like this, look. See you later, guys.